Hello student, let us do the next integration, that is integration problem. Okay, so let us see here what is that. So that is integration of what? X square, integration of x square divided by x sin x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so this is what integration. Just pause the video and try to solve yourself. Okay, so then you can see. So now what we can do, this is sine. Okay, so this is sine. So now see how you can do. This is whole square, sorry, this is whole square. Okay, so now do this. So for that what we will do, just put this numerator equal to what? Equal to t. Okay, so that is x sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Just put this equal to t. So then after that do the differentiation of this. Differentiation of x is what? 1 sine as it is. Okay, so product rule. Okay, so then sine function x as it is plus x as it is, integration of sine is cos x. Okay, so then integration of cos is minus sine x. Yes, so sine x get cancelled and this is dx, whole dx. Okay, this equal to dt. So now what we got here, x cos x dx is equal to what? Dt. Okay, for what purpose we are doing this? Okay, you will know within few minutes. Okay, so let us see here. So this is x cos x dx. So now see here, this is what? Integration x square. What we should do, what we can adjust so that the numerator become x cos x. So see here, x square is already there. Okay, so then what we will do here, x into x. Okay, x into x, just do this, x into x. We want this at numerator. Okay, so then what you do, multiply with cos x. Okay, multiply numerator with cos x and denominator with cos x. Okay, to balance out at both sides. So then this is what? X sin x plus cos x, x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now we have balanced this. Okay, perfectly. So this function, if you see this one is 1 and this is another one. Okay, so these are two function. Okay, so two function, first function and second. Okay, first second. Now we will apply here what? Euler rule. What rule? Euler rule. So now up to this we have done. Okay, so here x cos x, whenever we will put this equal to t, so upside will come x cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, dx is equal to dt. So now see here, what? Integration of x by what? Cos x, x by cos x. Okay, first function is this, second is x cos x divided by what? X sin x plus what? Cos x. Okay, so this is what? Square, whole square into dx. So this is my first function and this is my second function. Okay, so let us now what we have to do here. What type of function is this? See here we have to apply Euler rule. What? Euler rule. Just apply this Euler rule. As in last question I have told you, what do you mean by this? I means inverse trigonometric, L means logarithmic, A means algebraic, T means trigonometric, E means exponential. See this is exponential function, this is exponential function, this is trigonometric function. Okay, so this is what? Trigonometric function. Okay, so this is coming after this, so it is first function, this is first term, this is second term. Okay, so then after that just apply this rule. So Euler rule, what we will do here, first integration of second. Okay, first function as it is, x by what? Cos x. Okay, integration of second. How you will do integration of second? So what we can write for this? See here, we write this is x dt. Can we write this like dt by what? T square. Okay, so dt by t square we can write or not? So first is as it is, integration of second means dt by t square. Okay, dt by t square, put this equal to t. Okay, so this is t square and upside x cos x dx is equal to dt, as we have seen in few minute before. Okay, so this is what? Then after that integration. So just do, after this is integration, differentiation of this. What is that? This is differentiation of this by quotient rule. What? Cos square cos square x. Okay, so upside what will come? Cos x into differentiation of what? Numerator term, what is that? 1. Okay, differentiation of x minus x as it is, differentiation of cos is what? Minus what? Minus sign, minus minus become plus. So this is x sin x. Okay, x sin x, this, all this. Okay, so then after that what is there? Into integration of what? Dt by t square, dt by t square. Okay, so you just do this. What is the integration of 1 by t square? Is nothing but minus 1 by t, minus 1 by t. So that is minus x by what? X by cos x, x by cos x. What is t? Value of t is this. Okay, so just put here x sin x plus cos x. Okay, as we have seen in last time, what is t? T value is x sin x plus cos x. We have kept this as t. Okay, so this is this. Okay, first term. Now see next, integration of this also what? Cos x, this is cos x plus x sin x divided by cos square x. Okay, so integration of this is like same, minus 1 by t. So it minus, okay, minus 1 by t, minus 1 by t, minus minus become plus. Okay, plus. So this is 1 by t. T is what? X sin x, x sin x plus what? Cos x, plus cos x. Okay, so now see here, x sin x plus cos x, x sin x plus cos x, this will get cancelled. Okay, so we are left with what? 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but sec square x. Okay, so just write it upside. So up to this we are confirmed. So let us see here. So what is this? Minus x divided by what? Cos x divided by cos x. Okay, so cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so this is my this first term, first integration, plus second. You see what we got in second integration? 1 by cos square x, which is nothing but sec square x dx. Okay, so now see here, minus x divided by cos x. Okay, so now see here, x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so now plus sec square x is nothing but what? 10x. Yes, integration of secant square x is nothing but 10x. Okay, up to this is it okay? Up to this. So now see here, minus x divided by cos x. Okay, cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so plus what is this? Sin x can be write like this, cos x. Okay, so now what we can do? So this is cos x, just make it simple. Okay, so make it simple. So what it will come? So this is minus x plus sin x into what? X sin x plus cos x. Okay, in denominator what is this? Cos x, then x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so now see here, this is minus x plus x sin square x, just multiply inside. This is sin x cos x. Okay, so now divided by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so now see here, minus x plus x into 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x. Can we write like this? Yes. Okay, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x plus sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. Okay, so now I have to write upside, otherwise it is not visible, it is not in the vision of camera. Okay, so I think you have noted. Now see here, so this is my which term? This is my upper term. Okay, numerator, and denominator is what? Cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so now this is what? Minus x plus x, then after that minus cos square x. Okay, so this is minus cos square x. okay. So then plus sin x cos x, okay. So in denominator cos x sin x plus cos x, x get cancelled, okay. Just take cos x outside common, so cos x from numerator, inside is what, cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x minus x plus x, okay. So this is minus cos x, okay. So this is cos x into x sin x plus cos x, cos will get cancelled, okay. So now we are left with cos x plus sin x minus cos x plus sin x. This is minus cos x plus sin x divided by x sin x plus cos x. Is it okay? So this is minus x plus x into sin square x. Sin square x is what, okay. Here will come what, x, sorry. So this is multiplied by both, so x, okay, because it is x into sin square x, so it will multiply with both term, okay. So it will come, so x, it is okay, up to this is okay. Then after that here will come x, just x minus x, okay. So just make it correct here. So this is minus, after taking cos x common, okay, inside will come minus x cos x plus sin x, okay. So then denominator cos x sin x plus cos x, okay. Cos x will get cancelled, and we are left with what, we are left with minus x cos x plus sin x, okay, divided by x what, sin x plus cos x, okay. So this is what answer, okay. So this is the final answer, okay. This is final answer, minus x, just write here, this is equal to minus x cos x plus sin x divided by x sin x plus cos x. So this is final answer after simplification, okay. So that's all, thank you.